At Care Hospitals, we practice healthcare the way it should be practiced. A blend of ethical, compassionate and affordable care with cutting-edge expertise and state-of-the-art technology that benefits not only our patients but also our staff. Our employee benefits are extended to all our staff. We believe that making life easier for our employees is our duty, and we extend some of the best benefits in the industry for the service they provide. Continuous learning is the foundation of good medical practice, and at Care Hospitals, we encourage all our employees to seek knowledge and update their skills. Our learning and development programs cover a range of skills needed in medicine and patient care that not only improves outcomes for our patients but also has a positive impact on the wellness of our staff.
We have many development programs in our Care Hospitals. That includes DNB program, and in my department there is a program called Masters in Emergency Medicine, which is affiliated to SEMI Board. This is a 3 years post-graduation program for the undergraduate students. In this way, we try to teach students in a similar manner. It's like a mutual learning program. The students learn as well as the doctors, the senior doctors also. When they try to teach them, we learn and implement the treatment, the newer guidelines to the patients. This is the way we try to improve our academics.
At Care Hospitals, we believe in being proactive with how we treat our staff. All our policies and benefits are based on our core philosophy of strong ethics and compassion. We provide holistic benefits that care for our employees' personal, physical, mental, and professional well-being.
When we wake up, we feel that we are moving towards a workplace which is safe and secure for not only for us but for our families also. And that's what Care Hospital is all about. This organization is a people-centric organization. When I say people-centric organization, every employee is important for us. Only a happy employee can make a patient happy, and we strongly believe in that. This organization provides a very appropriate opportunities for a growth and development to everybody. From a perspective of work culture, this has a very open and receptive work culture. And hence, whatever progress we achieve, we get a pride to say that it is part of a co-creation and not the competition.
We pride ourselves on creating a safe and encouraging work environment that drives employees to learn, further their skills, and nurture the bonds of teamwork.
I've been quite lucky to be associated with the leadership team quite early in my career. Me being a finance professional, Care has helped me grow a lot in terms of my learning experiences, the way I interact and communicate with the entire team. It has helped me personally and also helped me grow professionally. So I come to office with a sense of completeness that I know that my work is valued, my opinion is considered, and I am in a position to make a difference to the way the organization is leading.
Work culture at Care is very fun-loving. People are never stressed here. There is no undue pressure on anybody to perform. Only pressure is to ensure that the patient who is there in front of you is always made comfortable and he or she is delighted. The best quality of Care Group of Hospitals is mutual respect. Care encourages you to appreciate their work in public so that everyone knows what great work the colleague has been doing. Another important aspect is autonomy. All of us here are given autonomy to take decisions in the interest of patient. If there is a patient who is unhappy and we need to take certain decisions, we need not wait for approval from somebody higher up. We can take decision on our own to ensure that patient is delighted and always happy and cured.
At Care Hospitals, we go above and beyond to ensure our employees are cared for so that they can deliver the best results for patients while maintaining their own health and well-being. This balance is something we pride ourselves on.
CARE is a value-driven ethical organization that truly takes care of the well-being and aspiration of its employees. We want to continue this legacy and strengthen the culture where employees are valued not just as professionals but as individuals. To build this culture, we provide consistent and positive experience to all our employees throughout their career life cycle. We have several employee-friendly policies and benefits, and we constantly upgrade and automate our people programs and processes. Highly competent healthcare professionals have built their careers in care through continuous learning and career development opportunities. Employee engagement and teamwork is one of the cornerstones of our success, and for this we have recently launched some contemporary initiatives like Connect Care, spot recognition programs, soft skills training, town halls, and upgradation of our employee facilities. As an organization, we are on a path of aggressive growth, and with this, there will be opportunities for all of us to realize our personal and professional ambitions. We would like to thank our employees and their families for their invaluable contributions to the growth of CARE.